Let's start shopping.
Mom, look at the fresh apples.
Yes, they look delicious.
I want some milk and cheese.
Good choices, honey.
Let's get these. This place is so big. First, we need fruit. The fruit looks beautiful. Can we buy apples?
Of course we can. Good job, Emma.
Yay! Now let's get vegetables. Yay! There are so many vegetables.
These tomatoes look fresh.
Hmm? These carrots look nice.
Excellent choice.
I like helping. We need milk and cheese. Can we get yogurt too? Of course, let's grab one. Yes, we can. I will hold this. Something smells good.
Oh, doesn't it?
That is fresh bread.
Wow, Mom, it looks so good.
Yes, look at the color.
It's amazing.
It smells wonderful. It does.
Let's buy some bread. Huh. Next came the snacks. But I love cookies.
Can we buy cookies? Sure, let's get one box. Yay! Only one box. Please, Mom. Okay, only one. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie. Now, let's keep going. Let's see what else we need.
Yay!
We need to get some cereal.
I found the rice.
We found everything. We found everything.
Time to pay. Hello, 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 hello. Hello.
Hello, hello. That scanner is fast. Your groceries are ready.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
I can help.
Thank you, sweetie. You were a great helper today.
I love shopping with you.
I loved shopping with you too, sweetie.